So more than anything else, the certification is built upon a set of principles. And those principles are the ones that allow you to grow and mature and become who you want to become. And so I believe that the people who pursue the certification, if it's lean or project management or any other certification, they grow through that process. And specifically about lean certification, I would say that first of all, you get to know the community. SME is providing a platform for you to meet mentors, to meet professionals who've been walking this path for many, many years. The recommended readings are very good. They're books written by professionals who have accomplished a lot in their careers. More than that, the Lean certification is giving you the possibility to reflect on your journey. And each step you take towards understanding the Lean philosophy, applying the principles, learning the tools, applying the tools, working in projects, cross-functional interactions, would allow you to become a better person by the end of the day. And so in my personal case, I think being involved from day one with Lean certification, I enjoyed the learning, I enjoyed the courage and the self-confidence that Lean is giving as a professional. And I do think that all applicants who are pursuing this certification are going to enjoy learning and great experiences.